Welcome to Creativity for Kids, where all children are encouraged to use imagination and their natural curiosity to create, pretend, and learn. I'm Phyllis Brody.
And I'm Evelyn Greenwald. We're the founders of Creativity for Kids. We design our toys and run our company based on our experiences from childhood and our work as artists and educators.
50 years ago, Creativity for Kids started with a simple belief that every child is naturally creative, and that when we give them the right tools, something magical happens. For 5 decades, we've stayed true to that core: premium materials, thoughtful design, and an experience inside the box that's every bit as meaningful as the finished project.
The success of Creativity for Kids is due in many ways to the thousands of specialty retailers all over the United States and Canada who, like you, believe in the value of imagination and creativity for all children. You are the toy experts.
Over the decades, that spark has carried us from a small specialty brand to a national presence on the shelves of the biggest and most trusted retailers in America. Our growth has been fueled by one simple truth.
Quality isn't just what kids make, it's how they feel while making it. What makes this milestone even more meaningful is how deeply our mission aligns with the Faber-Castell's legacy of inspiring creative expression. Together, we're united by a shared purpose: to unleash the creative potential in every child.
It's been exciting to watch the progression from the adorable Creativity for Kids burlap bag as they entered into exciting new product categories like play and pretend and cosmetics, grow, fashion, sensory, and all along the way entering into exciting trends like rock painting and diamond painting.
We're proud to create experiences that truly matter. As we celebrate 50 years, that commitment remains at the heart of everything we do. Yesterday, today, and for generations of makers to come.
Today, we have the privilege to honor that legacy by taking Creativity for Kids to a whole new level, scaling globally, innovating fearlessly, and redefining what creative play can mean for the entire world. Our next chapter isn't just promising, it's transformational. And this is only the beginning.